Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther Roya, and today I will be teaching us on how to make a yam ball. We have our mashed yam, our salt, our butter, grounded pepper, onions, 2 large eggs, our breadcrumbs, the flour, and the evaporated milk and the yam itself. So now these are the ingredients. I'm trying to put in the yams to boil the yam and make it get salt to it. Then 1 tablespoon of the grinded or blended dry pepper. You can actually also add the bell pepper, the alligator pepper, anyhow you love your pepper in your dishes. So this is the milk, 1/4 cup of milk, like 16 mils. You add it gradually so your yam balls mixture won't be soaked in milk. Depending on the amount of yam balls you are using, you add the milk in a gradual process. You mix properly. If you can't get breadcrumbs close to you, you can roll it in the flour, roll it in the milk, then roll it again in the flour, or preferably if you are using milk, whole milk or double milk or evaporated milk, you roll it into the flour, the milk, then the flour again. Then you can also fry that way. So I did the 3 process in this video. I'll show you at the end of this video the separation of how I did making it with flour, the egg crumbs with egg, the breadcrumbs with milk, and the breadcrumbs with egg mixture. Yes, our yam balls are getting ready. Freshly served yam balls. And that's all for today. Please don't forget to like this video and share with friends and family. Bye. Listen to the crunchy sound that's coming out from this. It's so delicious, I must confess. Yeah, thank you for staying till the end of today's section of my kitchen with Esther. Kindly like, share and subscribe with family and friends. Thumbs up. Hey!